Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to crop videos for Instagram Reels in CapCut. First, let's open our CapCut app, and as you can see, I already have a project open. Now, to crop videos ideal for Instagram Reels, I'd have to go to aspect ratio, which you can find on the bottom among all the options. Now, the screen I already have selected is ideal for YouTube. If I click on aspect ratio, it will give me multiple options that are better for different platforms. Now, TikTok and Instagram Reels have the same aspect ratio. So select TikTok, click on the tick icon, and here you can readjust your clip by tapping on the clip and zooming in or out. Also, you can reposition it however you like, and your clip is ready for Instagram Reels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.